Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Taskbar context menu, right-click an empty area and select Taskbar settings. Once done, make sure you are on Windows 10 and signed into an account with administrative rights so changes persist. You do this because the setting lives inside that panel, not the control panel, and immediate access speeds the process. Now scroll to the Taskbar section and prepare to toggle options. Small taskbar buttons is the specific control you will change next. You will now flip the small buttons toggle, find Use Small Taskbar Buttons, and set it on. Once done, observe the immediate reduction in height and icon size. This saves vertical pixels and keeps icons recognizably clickable. If icons remain crowded, use Combine Taskbar Buttons to always hide labels and tighten spacing. Make sure to check Pinned Apps and Notification area for layout shifts, and restart Explorer from Task Manager if the interface doesn't refresh automatically. Finish by arranging Pinned Apps and Checking System tray overflow. Drag icons to your preferred positions so muscle memory stays intact. Once done, confirm the change looks consistent across multiple monitors and virtual desktops. If the small mode resets or doesn't apply, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager to force a refresh. If that fails, make sure Windows is up to date and test in a different user profile. This isolates profile corruption or an update-related bug as the likely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.